Have you ever dreamt about saving up enough to get your dream house or car while earning decent money? Or did the thought of getting rich ever cross your mind like the rest of the people? Have you ever wondered sometime about how to get rich and where to begin? Well, that's why you're here. There are several ways to become rich, which include having a lot of knowledge of profits and the market. In order to get rich, you'll have to do good research on the businesses and products that their supply and demand. So everyone, before we give you a short tutorial on getting rich, welcome to another video on our channel, Start Up Yourself. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more life-changing videos. Now, without further ado, let us begin. Number 1, long-term stock investment. Stocks can be a risky business to invest in. However, if you have enough information about the stocks losing and gaining their value, you also may understand the right area to invest in. Stock exchanges and other news are the most common news aired on the TV globally, which is why you may have heard the word quite a few times. Stock investment is buying a part or a share of a company, thinking that its value will rise and help you multiply your money. However, facing losses can be a consequence of investors pulling their money out, which means that to make sure you do not suffer loss, you have to consider long-term investment. Another way to avoid losing money is making investments in diverse fields. That is, not sticking to one kind of stock, but investing your money in different product companies and businesses, because you never know which one skyrockets and which ones drop. However, you need to be aware of some of the basic strategies. Buying the stocks that are underpriced can be beneficial, because stock prices and values usually react to good and bad news around the market. This strategy is known as value strategy. The next is growth strategy. Before investing in a certain business, you do research to see the stats of the business making growth and progress in the coming years. For example, find out if an environmentally friendly company stands a chance in the near future due to increasing global warming and climate change awareness. That way, you have a rough sketch of how your investments may turn out. The next strategy is purely based on collecting and analyzing data available about a certain stock before investment. It is called momentum strategy, according to which they strictly form their investment plans based on the hypothesis derived from the analysis of technical data provided to the analysts. It can be risky in comparison to all other strategies. DCA, or dollar cost average, is another investment strategy, probably more successful than most. In dollar cost averaging, the investors divide their money into smaller investments of equal amounts in order to avoid a big investment right away, as the stock market can be pretty unpredictable. The drawbacks of DCA is that stocks in the market usually go up suddenly, which means that lump investments could do more and well than small bits of investments over time. But this process is solely used to access the prices over time. Number 2, entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a major plan for those who want to multiply their savings. For starting a successful business, you need to have a business plan that gives you a detailed idea of the competitors, customers' demands, and supply of the product. Begin with making a blueprint of the entire map of your business growth. Decide which product is in demand, but the supply is not enough to meet the needs of the customers in the area you want to start a business. The next step is to do research on the quality and quantity of your competitors' offer within a specific price range and form a plan to provide better yet less expensive services without going bankrupt, which means that you need to also consider your profit. Just like Amazon and Alibaba being the biggest e-commerce business platforms, you can either start a digital business, a cottage industry, or even a cab service that can later on grow into a whole network with the profit reinvested in the business. However, for entrepreneurship, 2 things are the most important. One is hard work, and the second, patience. Number 3, real estate. Investing in real estate is a long-term and secure way of becoming a billionaire. Real estate is always in demand. The value is going up as the population increases and more people require land for housing societies, schools, and even industries. Also, another important factor is that real estate is a concrete item. Thus, unlike digital currency and other fluctuating stocks that people invest in, real estate seems a more secure option. Here is a short summary of the video. Gather information about multiple strategies of investments before you invest your money in stocks. Starting a business and real estate can also be successful methods of multiplying your money. So this was all about tips on becoming rich. If you found the video enjoyable or helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon with another video. So until then, take good care of yourself. Adios.